Welcome back, and shifting focus now to the commodity space. Manisha Gupta is joining in, and today we are focusing on some very, very precious metals. Manisha, good morning.
Well, thank you for that, Hormuz. If I said this is the year of gold and silver, I won't be wrong. With the kind of gains that we've seen and with the kind of outperformance that these two precious metals have put out vis-a-vis other asset classes, it has been quite on the stronger side. So when it comes to gold, we are trading at all-time highs in the Asian markets right now. It is hit above $27.30 an ounce as well, and still counting. It has been a very strong gain there. If you look at the prices on a week-on-week basis, we are up by 3%. We are up 4% on a month basis. And for this year in the international markets, the gold prices have gained by 33%. This is the best gain on an yearly sense that you have seen in last 14 years. So very, very strong gains continuing in case of gold there. If you look at the Indian markets then, and there's a comparison with the international markets also, well, there are a couple of factors when it comes to Indian markets. One, it is about the rupee depreciation, which has supported. And even if you look at the Indian markets not gaining as much as the international markets, that is because of the 9% import duty cut as well. So that is a feature that is coming into the markets as well. So this is in last few years where you have seen Indian prices continue to outperform gold. It's only been in this year that you have seen Indian gold prices gain up by 22%, while the international gold prices have gained up by 33%. And not just gold, the silver prices have been on a surge as well. The international silver prices are trading at around 12-year highs. We have hit $34 an ounce there as well. In the last 1 week, we've seen silver prices gain up by 8%, 11% up in last 1 month, and 42% in this year until now, clearly outperforming not just gold, but various other asset classes as well. Well, we are looking at the Indian silver prices also on a higher note there. We've seen prices gain up by almost 26% in India. It has been a good run-up that we've seen. Of course, 45% of gains in 2020 is something that we haven't seen repeated yet again. But as you can see, last 5 years, there's only 1 year, 2021, when gold did not give you, or silver did not give you positive returns. But apart from that, it has been a one strong rally run-up that you have seen in gold and silver both. Well, the markets are looking at various support factors. One is ECB rate cut of 25 basis points for the third time. The US Fed rate cut expectation for the month of November and December as well. And then the US presidential elections, that uncertainty continues to add to prices. So it's not just Asia which is buying precious metals like gold and silver. Western world also, in sense of retail and investment, is buying gold and silver. That has been supportive. And then it has been global central bank buying, the war that continues into the Middle East, etc. And then the brokerages and global banks forecasting $3,000 an ounce for gold and $45 for silver have been other couple of factors where you have seen their clients buy, and a lot of retail and HNI also continue to buy in case of precious metals there as a safe haven. Well, going forward, there's just so much to watch out for in this week and the next as well. You have US PMI, durable goods and home sales data coming in. You also have PMI number coming in from India, Australia, UK, Japan, etc. The Europe consumer confidence numbers would be on table as well. Canada monetary policy decision also happens in this week. And next week is going to be about Japan general elections meeting. So a lot happening. And ahead of that, you wouldn't want to go short in case of gold and silver.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Time for